In this video we see how to install Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish alongside Windows 10. After complete watching this video, you are able to dual boot your computer system easily. I will teach you a very easy method of dual booting your computer system with Ubuntu 22.04 alongside Windows 10. Open your browser and search Ubuntu 22.04. Click on official link to download ISO file of Ubuntu 22.04. Click on 64-bit PC desktop image. You can see that our ISO files downloading is started. The size of ISO file is approx 3.5 GB. Now we required another software, that is Universal USB installer. Search Universal USB installer. Click on pendrivelinux.com link. Scroll down and click on download UUI. You can see our ISO file and Universal USB installer on screen. Insert a blank pen drive approx having 8 GB. Open Universal USB installer. In step 1, select Ubuntu because we are making Ubuntu partition. In step 2, select your downloaded ISO file. Here we can select it. In step 3, select your blank USB drive which you are inserted. Click on NTFS format and click on create. The process is started. It will take approx 30 minutes to complete if you are using USB 2.0. If you are using USB 3.0, then it will process faster. After completion, just click on close. So we created our USB device as bootable device successfully. We will create a free space in our hard disk so that during installation time our Ubuntu operating system will be installed on that drive. Go to this PC, click left mouse button, click on manage, click on disk management. Create a free space in logical drive. I am creating a free space of approx 80 GB for my Ubuntu partition. Select drive, click shrink volume. Type approx 81,000 MB and click shrink. We created a free space successfully, which looks like in green color. Now close all of your tabs and restart your computer. Click F11 button during restarting of your computer to open boot menu. Select your USB drive. Click on first option. It will take some loading. After loading, you can see that a Ubuntu window is opened here. Click on Install Ubuntu, which is in your right bottom. Select language and click on Continue. Select your keyboard layout and click Continue. Select normal installation and click Continue. Click on No. Now select Install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10 and click on Install Now. It will install directly in a free space that we are created. No need to partitioning during installation process. Click on Continue. Type your location or select your location and type your detail and password. Click Continue. It will take also 30 to 40 minutes for installation. Please remember your username and password. After installation is completed, then click on Restart Now. So our Ubuntu boot menu will be opened. In this boot menu, select Ubuntu and press enter button to open your Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish operating system. It will take some loading, so keep patience. Now our operating system is loading. Here type your password which you are entered during installation process. You can see here we are successfully open our Ubuntu operating system. It is the latest operating system of Ubuntu which is released on April 2022. Now restart your Ubuntu operating system. Again the Ubuntu boot menu will be opened. In this boot menu, select Windows 10. Press enter button to open your Windows 10 operating system. See, our Windows 10 operating system is also loading. So guys, we are successfully dual booted our computer system with Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish alongside Windows 10. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share my channel ComBeast.